Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something every laptop buyer should know, the best Lenovo laptops in 2025. Lenovo has stepped up big this year with amazing designs, powerful performance, and smart features for work, gaming, and creativity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a gamer, this list will help you choose the right Lenovo laptop for your needs. Let's get into it. Number 1. Lenovo Yoga 9i 2-in-1 Aura Edition. This is Lenovo's ultimate premium convertible. It features a stunning, sleek, cosmic blue aluminum design that's built tough, meeting military-grade durability standards. The heart of the machine is its gorgeous 14-inch OLED display, offering vibrant colors and fluid motion up to 120 Hz. Powering it all is the efficient Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, making it a true AI-powered 2-in-1 device ready to flip and fold into any mode you need. Real experience. The real star here is the combination of portability and stamina. You can expect all-day battery life, clocking in around 12.5 hours for continuous use, making it perfect for long days away from an outlet. The typing experience is top-notch with a responsive, springy keyboard, and the audio is rich and loud for media consumption. However, its performance is designed for daily productivity and media. It's not a powerhouse for heavy tasks like 4K video rendering. You also trade off on ports, relying heavily on its fast Thunderbolt 4 USB-C connections. Why should buy it? You should buy the Lenovo Yoga 9i 2-in-1 Aura Edition if you want a beautiful, ultra-portable 2-in-1 that prioritizes all-day battery life and a stellar media experience. It's the perfect laptop for students, frequent travelers, or anyone who values a sleek design and versatility for light productivity. Number 2. Lenovo ThinkPad X9 15 Gen 1 Aura Edition. Meet the new face of ThinkPad. This 15.3-inch laptop is a complete reimagining, ditching the classic bulk for an ultra-thin, feather-light aluminum chassis that weighs just over 3 pounds. As a next-generation Copilot Plus PC, it is laser-focused on AI, featuring an NPU with serious computing power dedicated to enhancing your professional flow and security. It also boasts a stunning 2.8K 120 Hz OLED touch display packaged in a sleek thunder gray finish. Real experience. The experience is all about mobile productivity without compromise. Its signature feature is an absolutely epic battery life, easily pushing past a full day of work in real-world testing. The new AI features are genuinely useful for professionals, like Shield Mode, which uses computer vision to blur your screen if someone is looking over your shoulder. You get professional-grade ports like HDMI and USB-A, which is rare for a machine this thin. This laptop is built for secure, high-stakes knowledge work on the go. Why should buy it? You should buy the Lenovo ThinkPad X9 15 Gen 1 Aura Edition if you are a business professional who requires unrivaled battery life, top-tier security features, and a large, high-quality screen in the thinnest, lightest design possible. It is the ultimate mobile productivity tool. Number 3. Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 9. This is where power lives. The Legion Pro 7i is a desktop replacement gaming laptop that packs the highest-end components, including the Intel Core Ultra 9 HX or i9 processor and powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 or 50 series graphics. It's housed in a sturdy, chunky chassis with an aggressive cooling system and customizable RGB lighting on the keyboard and light bars. It features a high refresh rate 16-inch display with excellent color and smooth motion up to 120 Hz. Real experience. This machine is a beast when plugged in. It delivers phenomenal, sustained performance for gaming at high settings and demanding creative tasks like 3D rendering. The full-size keyboard is highly tactile and satisfying for both gaming and typing, and the audio system is incredibly loud and dynamic. The major trade-off for this immense power is battery life. This laptop is not designed for mobile use, and its battery drains very quickly when gaming or under heavy load unplugged. Why should buy it? You should buy the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 9 if you are a hardcore gamer or content creator who needs maximum, uncompromising performance and a top-tier cooling system. It is best used as a portable desktop replacement that will spend most of its life near a power outlet. Number 4. Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i 16 Gen 9. This is Lenovo's dedicated machine for professional creators and artists. It features a large 16-inch 3.2K display with a super smooth 165 Hz refresh rate, and you can get it in a brilliant mini LED panel that reaches up to 120 nits of brightness. Internally, it's equipped with powerful Intel Core Ultra 9 H series processors and discrete NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics up to an RTX 4060. Real experience. The mini LED screen is a game changer for anyone doing color-critical work, offering incredible brightness, deep contrast, and perfect color accuracy across all major gamuts. It's a speedy performer that breezes through complex photo and video editing workflows. Crucially for creators, it includes a full array of I/O, including an HDMI port, multiple USB-A ports, and a full-sized SD card reader, meaning no dongles needed to transfer media. For a machine this powerful, it also manages impressive battery life, sitting around 12 hours. Why should buy it? You should buy the Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i 16 Gen 9 if you are a professional photographer, videographer, or artist who demands the highest possible color accuracy, mini LED, and discrete graphics performance in a thin, well-connected chassis for studio-grade work on the go.